Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is forgiveness, the silent radiance of strength. Ladies and gentlemen, forgiveness has long been misunderstood. Many see it as surrender, as though to forgive were to yield. Yet in truth, forgiveness is not weakness, it is sovereignty. It is the invisible crown of the strong, a silent radiance that shines when the inner sun rises beyond the shadows of injury and pain. Modern science confirms this ancient truth. The weight of resentment holds the body in constant alarm, flooding it with stress hormones, clouding thought, straining the heart, and weakening immunity. Forgiveness, by contrast, alters the chemistry of life itself. Neural pathways of empathy are activated. The heartbeat steadies, the mind breathes lighter, the spirit feels unchained. Clinical studies show that those who forgive live longer, recover faster, and radiate greater vitality. Forgiveness then is not merely moral, it is biological, a symphony aligned with the rhythm of health and harmony. Civilizations across time have echoed this recognition. Stoics declared anger as shackles binding the soul. Buddhist wisdom placed compassion as medicine for hatred. Indigenous traditions used reconciliation to restore balance between human and cosmos. The Bhagavad Gita elevates forgiveness as a divine quality, a virtue of those unshaken by insult, anchored in truth, and strong enough to rise above transient storms. Yet forgiveness does not erase memory. It does not excuse injustice. Instead, it transforms memory into meaning, injury into insight, scars into symbols of resilience. A tree does not deny the storm. It grows through it and still bears fruit. So too does forgiveness turn adversity into strength. Forgiveness is not a sudden decision but a journey of becoming. It begins with caring for health and wellness, calming the restless body that clings to hurt. It expands through consciousness where thought is aligned with higher awareness. It matures into coherence when heart, mind and breath move as one. And above all, it is sustained by trust. Trust in the cosmic intelligence that guides existence as surely as the sun energizes the brain through light. When this inner sun radiates with purpose, courage arises naturally and forgiveness blossoms not as effort but as effortless strength. What's the way forward? Forgiveness, when viewed as evolution, is not to be preached but to be practiced. Its path unfolds in dimensions that touch every sphere of life. Within the self, daily moments of stillness, reflection and breath, where the mind learns release instead of repetition. Within relationships, allowing dialogue to replace silence, empathy to soften judgment, and understanding to dissolve blame. Within communities, shaping restorative practices where reconciliation is transformation, not punishment, and harmony becomes the measure of progress. Among nations, healing the inheritance of hostility by acknowledging wounds, yet choosing dialogue over endless conflict, thus building futures upon shared dignity rather than shared grievance. These four are not instructions but possibilities, clear, practical and universal. Forgiveness thus becomes less an act of virtue and more a living architecture of peace. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita describes forgiveness as the adornment of the strong, born not of fear but of courage rooted in truth. His wisdom reveals that true power is not in conquering others but in conquering the self. Forgiveness then is not merely a response, it is alignment with the cosmic rhythm, a force that ennobles the heart, liberates the mind and uplifts humanity. It is timeless as the sun, boundless as the soul, and eternal as truth itself. The silent radiance only the strong can truly wield. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.